Need a different alarm that won't disturb others? Setting a vibrate-only alarm on your iPhone is easy. Hi, I'm Sio from Online Health Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to set a vibrate-only alarm on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the clock app. Go to the alarm section. Tap on the plus icon from the top right corner of your screen. Use the sliders to set up the time of your alarm. Now, tap on the sound option. Here, scroll down and tap on the none button. This will make sure that your alarm won't make any sound. Again, scroll back to the top and tap on the haptics option. Here you can choose the vibration pattern for your alarm. You can also create custom vibrations if you like by tapping on the create new vibration option. And this is how you can set a vibrate-only alarm on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Health Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.